Netflix failed to switch because this account is not connected to any game data on Mobile Legends. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can fix that, so let's start the video. For that, first and foremost, when you open up the Mobile Legends application, you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. Now what you can do next is, first of all, head over to your profile in the top left and then open over to your profile. So once you are going over to your profile, go over to account and then make sure your account is connected to any of the account, for example Moonton account, email, Google or anything. But if it's not connected and when you're trying to switch your account, what you can do is, if you're getting that kind of error message, you can go ahead and look out for the customer support of Mobile Legends directly. So you can just go over directly to the customer service of Mobile Legends, and in this inbox section, please enter your content section. You need to type in your issue, like how you're trying to go ahead and switch your account, but it is not allowing you and giving you that error message on your screen. So just go ahead and type in your content and type in and send it to them, and once that is done, they should probably check it out and try to help you with your issue. And that's it. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.